Hello viewers. Today I'm going to share the process of making Intel Wi-Fi and Bluetooth working on macOS. As you can see on my device manager, my Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are both from same Intel chip. Now, to fix Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, we need to download some files. First we need BlueToolFixup Kexts. And then, we will need Itlwm Kext and Heliport app. If you are using macOS Sonoma or older, you can download Airport Itlwm, which will work with native Wi-Fi app in macOS. As for newer, you will need Itlwm Kext, which is not native but works fine with another app. Now from same GitHub page download Heliport app, which will handle our Wi-Fi connections. Now let's copy the downloaded files in a folder which we can access from macOS after reboot. Now, I will restart the computer and boot into macOS and come back. As you can see on my macOS currently both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are not working. Bluetooth turns on and off, but it's laggy and not doing anything, like not searching for devices. Let's start our fixing. First, open OCAuxiliaryTools and mount EFI folder. Make sure you have correct USB map for your system or Bluetooth won't work even with the fixes. Now open Heliport DMG file and install the app. Make sure you added Heliport on login items, so every time macOS boots it will auto-start. Now extract Itlwm zip file and drag and drop Kext file on OCAuxiliaryTools under kernels. Extract Broadcom patch folder and drag and drop BlueToolFixup to kernels. Just this file only and don't add any other Kexts from here. We need 2 more Kexts which I forgot while downloading the files. They are for Intel Bluetooth patching. You can just search for Intel Bluetooth Firmware Kext and download them. You won't need injector Kext, just use the other 2. Now that Kexts are added, we will need to add 2 NVRAM entry to make Bluetooth work properly. I'll share them on video description. You need to add them in NVRAM third option where boot args and everything setup is present. Our configuration is done. Now we can restart the computer to check how it goes. As you can see, after restarting Heliport started and you should see another Wi-Fi icon on top panel where you can connect your Wi-Fi. This is default Wi-Fi app from Mac. It won't work with Heliport, you can hide it from settings. Now let's connect to a Wi-Fi network. It's working perfectly. Now let's test Bluetooth. It gave some trouble as it was connected on Windows on same hardware, but now it's working fine. That's all for today. I hope this video will help you fixing your Intel Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on Mac. If you face any issue, let me know in the comment. If you like the video, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.